What's up, everybody? We're here in Hiroshima, Japan, and this is a sound check. What's up, everybody? I'm here in Hiroshima, Japan, and this is not a travel vlog. Well, I guess you could call it a travel vlog. But we're here for a Mazda event. We are here for the 30th anniversary event of the MX5, the Mazda Miata MX5, and we're going to the proving grounds of Miyoshi to attend the celebration. But before that, today we're going to the factory tour of Mazda, because you know Mazda is based here in Hiroshima, and we're going to see the Mazda Museum, and I'm going to take you guys with me, so just keep watching this video. So we're here now at the Mazda Museum inside the Mazda headquarters. Oh, apparently Mazda's headquarters here in Hiroshima is like one huge complex. Well, that's pretty much to be expected for a company that's servicing pretty much the whole world. And we have here some of the latest models of Mazda. Right behind me we have here this is the all-new CX-8. It's a 7-seater SUV meant for families and stuff. And of course we got the Mazda 6 over there, and you got of course the MX5, our beloved MX5, also here in this showroom. So we're allowed to do photos and videos here in the museum, but we're gonna see a part of the production facility where we're not allowed to do video. So unfortunately guys, you won't be able to see it. It's all top secret. They don't want to see what they're, they don't want you to see what they're manufacturing there. But anyway, I'll just show you what I can here in this museum tour. Let's go. Okay, whoa, what do we have here? Check this out, everybody. Look at this. Woohoo! Hey! It is the one. This is the Le Mans winning race car. Wow. Mazda 787B. And this is no replica, this is the actual car. Man, you only see these on pictures on the internet, but this is the actual car. This is a Mazda race car that won the Le Mans way back in the 90s. The first Japanese manufacturer to have won the 24-hour Le Mans. It's crazy. This is the car. Everybody, that's the car. Apparently, Mazda is one of the few or probably the only manufacturer left now that still uses actual clay models for their designs of their vehicles. And we have here a clay model of the interior of one of the cars. Yeah, so I guess that just shows you the devotion that Mazda has to the level of quality and the level of perfection when it comes to designing their vehicles. Whew, crazy. And we have here the Sky Active body there. Right. So that's the Sky Active body of Mazda. And you notice here, we have here a pancake Mazda. Right there. It's a pancake Mazda. And you notice that the driver, the passenger cabin, it's all intact, even if it's a pretty hard crash. So that's a Sky Active chassis and Sky Active body for you. Okay, so we just exited the production line part of the museum, and unfortunately, yes, we cannot shoot photos and videos inside because it is a top secret production facility. Although I have a feeling if you just watch it in Discovery Channel, you'll probably see it also. But anyway, they have multiple cars on the line. They got CX-5s, they even have a Fiat. We saw a Fiat Abarth 124, and we got like a Mazda 3s, Mazda 6s. So it's just one production line, but multiple models being done. So yeah, so now we're heading back out to the museum. Just gonna see where we're gonna go next, and just stay tuned, guys. I am not kidding. The CX-8 is a huge contender for my next SUV. This is an all-wheel drive CX-8. I'm going inside right now. Wow, look at this, everybody. Look at this. Wow. Just the right size. Just the right size. Just right for my parking slot in my flat. This is, yeah, and I'm glad that Mazda Philippines is bringing this to the country. So yes, CX-8, it's a viable option to be part of my stable.
Ben, ano mo nga ito, i-close mo ngayon.
Alright.
Kung babangga yung tuhod mo, then you adjust. Okay
Yan.
siya.
Okay naman?
Yeah.
Hindi siya masikip?
No, it's not.
Wow.
Just the right size. Just the right size.
That's at the third row, si Ben, full size. Pare, what's your height?
5'5".
5'5", 5'6", and it's very comfortable at the back.
Headroom is right, just about.
Good. Wow, this is crazy. And then, slide it.
Forward. Okay, off you go. Very,
Yeah, this is really a viable car.
for family.
For family. Sakto. Sakto. So when this baby hits Philippine shores, watch out for a full review of that. I am going to come up with a comprehensive review. Who knows, it might not even be a demo car. I have a good feeling the review is gonna be my own personal car because I love this. I love this. Ladies, kawaii, this is a video.
Hi. Hello.
So how do you find the Mazda Museum tour?
Beautiful. And interesting.
Interesting.
Really interesting.
That we were able to visit this.
Did you know there's a whole new model that's being made that's not out yet?
Yeah, the CX-30.
CX-30,
Yeah.
The production line is the best. Really amazing. Interesting.
Something that really is an experience.
It is a good experience.
Unfortunately for them, they cannot see it.
Yeah, sorry guys, you have to go to Japan and book so you can visit the production line.
All right.
Bye.
Okay.
Bye.
All right, you heard that. You have to come to Hiroshima. You want to see the production line. Tough luck, guys. All right, so we're back on the bus and we're now headed to the headquarters of Mazda. Apparently, this is not the headquarters. It is the museum and the production facility. And in the headquarters, that's where we will have a group photo and our lunch, our Japanese lunch. So keep watching. Alright, so we're now here at the Mazda headquarters, and you see we got the whole MCP right there. Miata Club Philippines, that's around over 100 delegates, 100 people. We have here a photo booth where you could have a photo of yourself with a 3D depiction of the Mazda logo, like this one. You see this? There. Okay. Now we have here also another, it's like a showroom style of all the Mazda cars. You got new Mazda cars, you got epic, classic Mazda cars right there, and you got, of course, the new ones over here. There, see? Okay, so what you just saw was the introduction of the executives in Mazda and the giving of the gifts from the Miata Club Philippines to the executives of Mazda Japan, and also vice versa. Mazda Japan will be giving us a copy of the book of the history of Mazda. I do hope it's in English, or there's an English version, because I can't really read Japanese, but either way, we are so honored to receive such a gift. You also saw some people from Miata Club Malaysia who are also part of our delegation here. There's a few of them there, so shout out to my Miata fans in Malaysia, my viewers in Malaysia. Hello everybody. Yeah, so we have some of your friends here with us who's also attending the Miyoshi. So that pretty much wraps up our Mazda Museum and Factory tour for today. I hope you like my video, guys. If you do like my video, please subscribe to my channels and to hit that like button as well, and just comment whatever you want to comment below. I'll see you again soon in my next video. Bye bye.